Alright, so I moved the cab over and I haven't taken out, this is my old dash, so let's take this out so we don't need it at all anymore. It'll be easier to do this when the cab is still sitting on the floor. Alright, now I gotta get it through this old rubber grommet here. Last bit of the factory wiring out. Now, I know my new cables aren't going to fit through this existing grommet, so I'll take it out now. Alright, so now that all the old stuff is out, I want to get the new dash panel. Mount him up. Snug that down. Okay. That's pretty good. Alright, so I've got my other cables here. There we go. Now I can move these guys back up here and see on the clamp. See, only one of these is going to fit inside this existing clamp. That's fine. Okay. And this guy here, this one here is the for the light. So I got to make a cable for this light. Another same method used on these other ones. I'll do another one of those to connect to the light. All right, so we're gonna attach it to the next one. Here. Got this guy here. And so it's going to go through a hole down here. The thing I'm going to do though, I'm just going to leave this one kind of right there. Let's just rough place this on it so it can slide. I'm going to leave it loose for right now. So I'm not going to push it through here yet because I wait till the cab's on there so I don't have to worry about accidentally crushing the wires. a little bit more elbow grease on that one. So this one we're gonna poke up and run it over the roof. I made it longer so I got plenty of slack, so I can even, do something kind of like that right there. Zip tie it right here. Couple zip ties. We'll finish that off.